Connecting Google Search Console to Looker Studio allows you to visualize and analyze search performance data. Here's how to do it. Open Looker Studio, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Create or open a report, select an existing report or start a new one. Add Google Search Console data source. Add the data source. Click on Add the data source from the report editor. In the Connect to Data panel, look for Google Search Console. If it's not visible, click on More to find it in the list of available connectors. Authenticate and connect. Click on Google Search Console. You may be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Search Console account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. Choose the appropriate account, property and view. Configure data source. Select the data type. Click Add to include the data source in your report. Use data. Create visualizations. Drag and drop fields from the Google Search Console data source to create charts, tables, and graphs. Save and share. Save. Click Save to keep your changes. Share. Use the sharing options to collaborate with others.